This literature kit on Gulliver's Travels by Jonathan Swift really helps with comprehension and vocabulary. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put events in the order as they happen when Gulliver stays with the Lilliputians. Compare the land of giants with your own neighborhood. Predict what Gulliver's next land will be like. Determine what the animal-like creatures find shocking about Gulliver's world. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as conducting an interview with one of the leaders from the countries Gulliver visits. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Poll your peers on their favorite countries in the novel and display the results in a graph. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.